This video will teach you the basics of using the Seeds of Thyme app. Once you've downloaded it from the App Store, whichever phone's type you have, this is what the icon will look like. So we're going to touch that and open it up. And you can also go to seedsofthyme.com and start your account there, put in your passwords and all that stuff. And then the first thing you want to do is click this Start Here. And here is all the information you could ever possibly want on oils. So if you click on single oils, it gives you a listing of all the different oils there are by Young Living. And when you click on one, let's say Blue Yarrow, it gives you the properties of it, the historical data of it. You can open it up and read more about it. And then you can see the medical properties of it. So it's insecticidal, it's regenerative, it's anti-inflammatory. How to use it, you can diffuse it, you can put it in a capsule and ingest it, you can put it on location. So there's all the information about this oil, and the oil is found in a blend called Dragon Thyme and a blend called Mister. And then if you hit next, it just goes to the next alphabetical oil. If you want to go back to the single oils, just hit your back button and then single oils. Now you're back at the screen. So here's the blends of oils. And again, they're alphabetical. So let's look at abundance. It magnifies vibration, enhances the law of attraction and the frequency of prosperity. And it tells all about what oils are in it, why it was created, properties and uses, what oils are in it. If you want to find out more about the oil that's in it, you can tap that and it will open it back up for you. Or go back again, and you're back on abundance. And then how do you use it? So all of that on that screen. So click the back again, and back again. And now you can do the same thing with supplements. And if you want to know what a supplement is for, same exact thing. We don't have to go through that all. Then here's the very best thing, personal usage. Let's say you have a condition. Let's say it's age-related macular degeneration. Here are the oils they recommend. Here's the blends they recommend. And here's the supplements they recommend. And how to use it and what to do with it. So let's go back again. Let's try something like, let's just go down here. Bed bugs. Let's look at that. Here's more about bed bugs. Open that up. Tells you about it. Tells you about other things to do besides the oils. And it tells you a recipe for a blend to make with it. Tells you oils that are in the recommendation. And so it's an awesome, awesome app. Then let's go back to the main screen again. Resources. Here's how to do essential oil layering. Here's how to use your NAT is neuroauricular technique. So here's the eye chart for that. Go back. Okay, and here's neuroauricular itself, and it tells you the technique and what to do. Here's the eye chart. Oh my goodness, there's so many spots on the eye that correspond to things in your body. Okay, let's go back again. How about Vitaflex the foot? And here's what to do with that. And here's the map of your foot. I'm so sorry. So this app is awesome. It has so many things in it. Okay, we're going to go back to, let's see, remedies and recipes. Here's some basic recipes, like if you have allergies, use cilantro, lavender, and tea tree. Put them in a capsule and take them, or put them together and rub them on your nose. Allergy balm. Same thing. Okay, go back. There's all different kinds of remedies here, so you can try those. And then let's go back to the main page. Home. Invite friends and family to the app. Explore the personal usage guide. That's what we just looked at. Learn new knowledge for oil lovers. So here's all different kinds of topics to explore and read about. So you can click those and look at them. Just all different kinds of things for you to go through here. Okay, we're going to go back home again. Oh, yes, we are home, so we're going to go back to the top. That's that page. And then you can create your own favorite recipes and remedies, and you can share them with the community. And what does this profile do? Oh, and so you can set up your profile here, and you're all set. If you go to seedsofthyme.com, seedsofthymeapp.com. Let me see if I can get that up here for you. Let me expand this out. Yeah, seedsofthyme.com. I know this isn't, let me see if I can expand out no, my recording area isn't full, but it's seedsofthyme.com, and they have reference material you can buy there. They have accessories and gear. They have special offers on there, so go to that and explore that as well. So that's the app.